多少管你还身对你的刚刚看那特管ก็รู้ว่าไว้ว่าฉันนั้นไม่ไปไหนหากวันไหนวันนั้นที่เธอเสียใจแต่ฉันจะเปลี่ยนหลักทุกสิ่งไปต่อจากวันนี้ให้ฉันได้มีเธอข้างกันในทุกวันก็รู้ไว้ว่าฉันนั้นไม่ไปไหนหากวันไหนวันนั้นที่เธอเสียใจแต่ฉันจะเปลี่ยนหลักทุกสิ่งไปให้เป็นสีชมพูต่อจากวันนี้ให้ฉันได้มีเธอข้างกันในทุกวันก็รู้ว่าฉันนั้นไม่ไปไหนหากวันไหนวันนั้นที่เธอเสียใจแต่ฉันจะเปลี่ยนหลักทุกสิ่งไปต่อจากวันนี้ให้ฉันได้มีเธอข้างกันในทุกวันก็รู้ว่าฉันนั้นไม่ไปไหนหากวันไหนวันนั้นที่เธอเสียใจแต่ฉันจะเปลี่ยนหลักทุกสิ่งไปให้เป็นสีชมพู
So guys, day 24 of our uninterrupted vacation. At maaga ako nagising kasi paalis na ako. So nagluto ang aking ina. Ano to? Maling. Tapos nagkakape na tayo for today's video. So magpe-prepare na ako maya-maya. More chika lang tayo ngayong umaga. Chika minute. Okay? So guys, naka-ready na po ako kasi babiyahe na tayo. At nandiyan dyan ang mga lamira. Okay, may isang lamira pa dito. So, ang biyahe ay 11:30. Magta-10:30 pa lang. So, may gagawin muna kami dito sa labas. Mag-ano muna ako ng aking hacienda del Sol. What? Okay? So, let's go!
Wonder what I'll do when the cops come through and the whiskey's run out. Cause I've been looking at you since 2:30. Wanna take this downtown. This liquid courage got me way too honest. Put your phone on vibrate, let's catch a vibe, babe, while the sun's down. Hush now, I know we're a little too fucked up to stay still. Love, be as quiet as you can, cause if anyone sees, they'll just blow shit up. I don't gotta know if you're taken, I just let you know bedroom's vacant. No one's gotta know, just us and the moon till the sun starts waking. Up's the only direction I see, as long as we keep the slow, low, 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 low key. You ain't even got a low, 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 love me.
So, nag-ano lang kami ng, ang tawag dito, sagingan ng aking ama. Mga pinagtatanim na saging ni Papa. So, marami na siyang bunga. Kaya ganun. Okay? So, time check, 10:30. Medyo maaga pa para pumunta ng pier.
A few moments later.
So guys, pupunta na tayo ng pier. Time check, mag-11 na. So, let's go. So guys, saan na papunta kami, tita?
Manila.
Sa Manila. Okay, hatid po ako ni JK sa pier. Bakit ikaw sumama?
Yeah.
Wala. So, see you later.
Bili na ako dito, guys.
Bumili ka na guys sa Sito.
君の虜になってしまえばきっとこの夏は充実するのもど噂の dreaming が忘れない
So guys, nandito na tayo sa pier. Time check, it's already 11:10. So, ayan po yung barkong ating sasakyan. Let's go guys.
Can I call you babe? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love, oh don't pretend. Stick by my side even when the world is giving in. Oh, don't you worry, I'll be
2,000 years later. moments later.
Hours later.
So, ayan guys. Nandito na siya. Ang katabi niya may Chicken Joy. Gutom na yarn?
Chicken Joy? What? Hindi.
Spaghetti sabi mo, tsaka burger.
Sabi mo, may Chicken Joy.
Ayun o, katabi o. I miss you, I miss you.
Bakit tayo ng order? Kapag hindi ba mo yung sa'yo?
Hindi mo naman sinabi. Eh, gusto ko din yung sinabi mo.
Anong drinks mo?
Iced tea.
May iced tea ako. Oh.
Hindi mo naman sinabi.
Dapat ang price ko.
Pagod siya, guys. Kamusta ang bakasyon? Pagod?
See you later sa bahay. So guys, time check 8:55. So kanina pa kami nakarating, medyo nagpahinga lang at dito ko natatapusin ang aking day 24 of uninterrupted vacation kasi magpapahinga na ako. Okay, so see you tomorrow for another vlog, day 25 of uninterrupted vacation. Bye!